guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of these Skin to You products. I did a haul with these products about a month ago, back in January. So if you guys want to see how I've been liking these products and my thoughts on all of them, then stay tuned. Like my past couple of reviews, I have some notes written down, so if I look down at all, that is why. I had first seen Skin to You at Walmart when I purchased this eye cream. I think I featured this in my December favorites. I'm pretty sure November or December, I can't remember, but it was in a favorites video. I'll link which one it was down below if you guys want to check it out. But it's only sold at Walmart. If you don't have a Walmart in your area or don't have this brand at your Walmart, because it's not at every single Walmart, they do have a website, and I will link their website down below. I just want to tell you guys a little bit about Skin to You before I get into the review. They created a straightforward skincare system that is easy to understand with effective and affordable products. They were made in the USA, they are not tested on animals, and their ingredient list is formulated with rich antioxidants to help balance your skin and protect it against pollution, sun damage, allergens, and chemicals that can contribute to aging. They are paraben-free, cleansing, rejuvenating, purifying products. They have 8 products total on their website, and the products retail anywhere between $6.99 and $14.99. I think their price range is pretty fair. It is a good drugstore price considering like L'Oreal is getting more expensive, and Revlon and Olay. All of Skin to You's products are color coded and they're in steps. So first I'm going to talk about cleansing. So the first cleansing product I'm going to talk about is their Me, Myself, and Micellar Water Makeup Remover and Setting Spray. This retails for $6.99. So this product is good for all skin types, hydrating and cleansing. So this is a horrible makeup remover. Absolutely terrible makeup remover. I followed the directions on the back to say use a cotton ball, wipe over the skin to remove the makeup. My makeup does not budge. If I had this full face on and tried to remove it with this, it's not coming off. I've tried spraying my face and then going in with a cotton round. I've tried, like I said, following the directions and spraying. I don't use a cotton ball, I use a cotton round. And doing that doesn't budge. However, as a setting spray, this is a really good setting spray. I really enjoyed it as a setting spray. Now, this is 8 ounces or 236.5 milliliters, and the Mario Badescu setting sprays are the same. This is $6.99 and this is more than $6.99. I don't know how much off the top of my head, but I think I had repurchased this more. I don't know though if it's really hydrating. That's just the one thing I haven't really noticed, but my skin has been so dry that nothing's really hydrating it. But like I said, this is a really good setting spray. Makeup remover, however, not at all. The next cleansing product I'm going to talk about is their cleanser, which is their Ready for This Jelly cleanser, and it retails for $8.99. This cleanser, again, is good for all skin types. It's cleansing and hydrating. Hydrating? Like I was just saying about the micellar water, my skin has been so dry. I've been using this every single day, 2 times a day, morning and night, and it's not helping hydrate my skin. My nose is still really flaky. My cheeks will be really tight and dry and just really uncomfortable. So I don't really think it's that hydrating. But it's a good cleanser. I really like the packaging of this cleanser. I like the pump and the fact that it's purple. Purple is my favorite color. And the smell of this is going to sound so weird, but it smells like the yellow conversation hearts that you get at Valentine's Day. The yellow ones. It's only the yellow ones it smells like. Not the pink ones, not the purple ones, not the green. The yellow ones. That's exactly what this smells like, and every day I put this on my face and I just smell the yellow conversation hearts. It's the weirdest thing. But it's a good cleanser, like I said. I would probably repurchase this if I needed a new cleanser and didn't know what other one to get. So next in their line, they have their step 2, which is their treat. And I have their ice cream for eye cream, and that retails for $14.99. So I've already talked about this in my favorites video, like I said, and I just wanted to talk about it real quick with you guys. But I really do like this eye cream. I love the packaging, how it has that little ball. It's so relaxing when you put it on your face. It just feels so good in the morning. You're just rubbing it on your eye. I love doing that. And I only apply this in the morning just because I feel like this helps like depuff if I'm really puffy. I don't really use this every day either, to be honest, because if I use it too much, I've noticed my eyelids were getting a little oily. So that's just something to keep in mind. But this works instantly. I had really dry skin on my eyelids, like almost cuts, because I remember putting this on and it just burned so badly. And they were pretty much gone the next day. So it's definitely worth the $14.99, and this does not have a scent, I don't think. Yeah, there's no scent. I really enjoy it, and this I would 110% repurchase. And the last product that I have is their step 3, which is Moisturize. And this is their sun sealed delivered facial moisturizer sunscreen plus SPF 30. And this retails for $14.99. So this feels like you're just putting sunscreen on. You need to literally use the size of a pea to apply this to your skin. If you use too much, it's going to be way too thick and it's really uncomfortable. This does not moisturize at all. At all. Like I said, my skin has been so dry, so I've been really putting these products to the test, and this was not moisturizing. My skin did not like it for these cold couple weeks we've been having. I am, however, going to save this and try it again in like April, May, when it's not so cold out and it's a little warmer. And I'll definitely test out the SPF 30 because I haven't really been outside. If I'm outside, I'm out there for literally 10 minutes and I'm back in the house. So, you know, I'm not really going to get a sunburn or a tan within those 10 minutes. But yeah, this just doesn't moisturize and it just feels like a sunscreen, and I'm not the biggest fan. If you want to pick up anything from this line, I would definitely say get the eye cream and the cleanser. These two are probably my favorite products. If you're interested in trying the micellar water slash setting spray slash makeup remover, this 10-in-1 product, definitely pick this up as well. It's pretty good. I mean, it's $7. You don't have much to lose there. It's not like you're spending, you know, $20 or something. The one product I wouldn't really recommend is this moisturizer, but I will definitely update you guys on Instagram or on here somewhere, letting you know how I feel about this. I'm kind of bummed out about the moisturizer, but that's whatever. And I will definitely try it again in the warmer months to see if it works better then. And that is it for this Skin to You haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.